Welcome everyone. The first step to set a live wallpaper is I want you to open the camera, and if you haven't already, you see this here, the live photo icon. Make sure this is on and that you've taken a live photo. Once you have a live photo, I want you to open up the Photos app, and from here you will need to locate the photo that's live that you want to set as a live wallpaper. So in my case, I have this one, and when I long press, I can see the video, just me doing a thumbs up. And the next step is you're going to see the share icon here. I want you to tap on share, and then you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to see here, use as wallpaper. Give it about 5 to 10 seconds. You see the spinning wheel here? Once that ends, we can tap on this icon and you can see it creates that live wallpaper. So let's see, if you use 2 fingers, we can move it around. There we go. And of course, customize the wallpaper to your heart's content. You cannot use the depth effect, so no depth effect if you use live wallpaper. And once we're happy, we'll tap on add. And you can customize the home screen if you want, but I will set as a wallpaper pair. And now, when you go to your lock screen, the live video or live photo will automatically play, as you can see right here. And with that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.